Hey everyone, let's play a quick game. Raise your hand if you've ever said something like this. How did you mess this up again? Why can't you just do it my way? You are so careless. Now, keep your hands up if those words actually made the other person improve, or if they just shut down, got defensive, or even started believing they were stupid. Yeah, me too. And here's the crazy truth. Constantly correcting someone doesn't make them better, it makes them worse. Not just emotionally, but literally neurologically worse. Today, we're diving into why this happens, how it ruins relationships, and what to do instead to actually help people grow. Let's start with a story. My friend Sarah has a 7-year-old son, Liam. Liam used to love drawings until Sarah started helping. Every time he colored outside the lines, she'd say, "No, honey, stay inside the lines." Every time he mixed colors wrong, she'd correct him. Blue and yellow make green, not brown. Fast forward a few months, Liam stopped drawing altogether. When Sarah asked why, he said, "I'm bad at it." Sound familiar? Whether it's kids, partners, or employees, our helpful corrections often feel like attacks. And here's why. When someone hears you're wrong, their brain goes into fight or flight mode. Adrenaline spikes, focused narrows to survival, and working memory, the part of the brain needed for learning, shuts down. Imagine trying to solve a math problem while someone's yelling at you. You're not learning, you're just trying to escape the shame. Now, let's talk about the long-term effects. 1. Kids. When parents constantly correct, kids internalize it. They think, "I'm not good enough." They stop trying new things because failure feels like proof they're dumb. Creativity dies. Confidence crashes. 2. Partners. Ever corrected your spouse's driving, cooking, or parenting style? It feels like control, not care. Over time, they stop caring too, either by giving up or resenting you. 3. Employees. Micromanaging. Constant feedback. It doesn't inspire growth, it creates robots who wait for orders instead of thinking independently. But here's the worst part. The more you correct someone, the more they'll live up to your low expectations. Psychologists call this the self-fulfilling prophecy. You say they're lazy, and they stop trying. You call them careless, and they stop caring. Okay, so what's the alternative? Positive reinforcement. Not fake praise, but specific, growth-focused feedback. Example 1. Kids. Instead of, "You're so messy, clean this up," try, "I love how you're trying to organize your toys. Let's figure out where the blocks go together." Example 2. Partners. Instead of, "You always forget to take out the trash," try, "I noticed you've been busy lately. How can we make sure the trash gets out on time?" Example 3. Employees. Instead of, "This report has too many errors," try, "I love your attention to detail in section 3. Let's work on polishing the rest together." The goal isn't to ignore mistakes, it's to correct without shame. When people feel safe, their brains stay in learning mode. They are more likely to listen, improve, and even thank you later. So here's your challenge for the next week. Catch yourself before you correct someone. Ask, "Is this necessary? Am I coming from a place of love or control?" And if you slip up, it's okay. Apologize, explain your intentions, and try again. Growth is a journey for you and them. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more science-backed tips on relationships, parenting, and personal growth. And comment below, what's one thing you'll stop correcting today? Thanks for watching. You've got this.